Let's kind of do a walk around and see what all Michael and Cody and the boys have got accomplished. I can see that the deck plate and the in-frame box is on. Looks like we got the Merit Dynadeck in-frame boot box. Michael was telling me earlier he had to cut out a hand hole here so you can access the locking latch. You can see here fuel tank is moved forward on the passenger side, so it lines up perfectly with the hideaway def tank on the other side. My understanding is, I heard today, we're going to do stainless steel wraps to wrap the body of both this tank and the other side. Now what you see here is pretty cool. This is just an old long 90-degree elbow and an old spool that Michael got out of the dent and ding pile. However, he's using them for a mock-up, as we wanted to try our own hand at an exhaust kit for $589. One thing that's pretty cool, Michael is leaving the factory exhaust support bracket on the frame, and then he's modified or fabricated this bracket here to give us a clamp to hold the elbow, and then, as he said earlier, rigged up a sliding bracket here, much like a Kenworth Aero Cab has on the top. So this is just kind of a rough cut in the making, but I'm going to say by midweek we'll have a Chrome Shop Mafia 4-state trucks chrome exhaust kit that'll actually be plumbed up and functional for the $589. Let's go around and check out the hide-to-def. I know he had to re-drill holes on this side for the tank hangers, straps. It's moved forward, kind of leaving a nice area here for all of the exhaust support bracket. So it's all coming together. Other than that, not a lot's changed. Visor, finally, my goodness, we can say grace over that. That is done, installed, and on there to stay.
All right, guys, caught Zach getting ready to cut the hole in the tank wrap. See, he's made him a template of the shape of the manifold up at the top. Using that for a guide for the plasma cutter. Pretty ingenious. There it is. Made that look easy. So let me ask you, this one here, kind of funny shaped. Is this something a guy can call in and say, I need a set of tank wraps for my 150-gallon Peterbilt tanks in my 2003-79?
Now we've had people do that, but every tank's a little bit different. Okay, this might be a little narrower, a little wider. Sometimes when they weld it, their welds are a lot thicker, so
yeah.
Even this is different locations, so it's really best to bring your truck in for a day or two. You can measure them, get them rolled, and even install them for you.
So every truck is going to have a one-off tank wrap, basically.
Yeah, every truck is going to be a one-off different tank wrap. So.
Cool. Well, you make it look easy. Let's see how easy it is. You got to cut out what's left to do to that. I see it's flat. Yeah,
I'm going to clean up my holes here. Going over the rolls over there, get them all clean, make sure there's no, little burrs and stuff. Because when you roll it, this 20 gauge will dent very easily. So you got to clean front, back, rolls, the whole nine.
Cool.
And they should be ready for you.
Cool. All right, so this process right here is going to take that stainless steel wrap from a flat sheet into a curl C, so this wraps around the tank. Like a super custom koozie. You like that?
Looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Close enough to work with.
Yeah, I like it.
Cool.
Just like that, we got a custom wrap.
Yep, throw some vinyl on it and it's all good.
I guess. All right, guys, so there's our first tank wrap for this tank. Zach did an awesome job getting this laid out, cut out the hole here for the filler neck. And here underneath, got our manifold up top. This is one piece of 20 gauge stainless. It don't look stainless right now, but it's got this white protective vinyl on there, wrapped from weld to weld on the tank. And then we'll put the quilted vinyl bonnets on the back of the tank here, and it'll dress it out real nice. It'll look like it's a permanently polished 120-gallon fuel tank when we're done. So we'll get this one here ready. We're gonna put some vinyl on the back side to protect the aluminum from electrolysis. Then we'll get this one put on, then we'll start making the one for the driver's side. Check back here in a few. What are you doing, Corey?
Oh, taking out this front panel here that was behind that air filter housing.
What on earth for? These things are built to be worked on by mechanics.
Yes, this bolt wasn't the funnest to get to. I mean, it's not terrible, but
It seems like,
inconvenient.
I think you're just doing it for fun. They're really not that hard to work on. Everything is right out in the open. It's practically a snapped together truck.
Oh yeah, everything is. It's kind of like a Lego.
You just stay there having fun, and I guess I'll check on you later.
All right.